Do you ever feel tired, bloated, or foggy-headed for seemingly no reason? Maybe you've had days where your energy just crashes, or your mind feels like it's wrapped in a thick fog. These symptoms can be frustrating, especially when they seem to come out of nowhere and don't go away with rest or hydration. Have you struggled with digestive issues, skin problems, or autoimmune conditions? Perhaps you've noticed persistent bloating, irregular bowel movements, or unexplained rashes. Or maybe you've been diagnosed with an autoimmune disorder and are still searching for answers. These issues might seem unrelated, but they could all be pointing to the same root cause. Well, the answer to these seemingly unrelated problems might actually lie within your gut. That's right, your gut isn't just responsible for digesting food, it's a central hub that influences nearly every system in your body. When it's out of balance, the effects can ripple far beyond your stomach. Emerging research is revealing a powerful connection between the health of our gut and our overall well-being. Scientists are now discovering that the gut communicates with the brain, the immune system, and even our hormones. This means that gut health can influence how we think, feel, and function on a daily basis. This intricate system, often referred to as our second brain, plays a crucial role in far more than just digestion. It helps regulate mood through neurotransmitters like serotonin, most of which are actually produced in the gut. It also helps manage stress responses and even decision-making processes. It's a complex ecosystem teeming with trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These microbes work together to break down food, produce essential nutrients, and protect us from harmful invaders. Think of them as tiny workers, each with a specific job to keep your body running smoothly. The gut microbiome also plays a key role in the gut-brain axis, a communication network that links your digestive tract to your brain. This connection explains why gut imbalances can lead to anxiety, depression, and cognitive issues. It's not just in your head, it's in your gut too. And these tiny organisms, believe it or not, impact everything from our immunity and nutrient absorption to how we feel emotionally and physically. A balanced gut helps your body absorb vitamins and minerals more efficiently, which in turn supports your immune system and energy levels. They also influence our mood, sleep, and even our weight. Poor gut health has been linked to insomnia, weight gain, and mood disorders. When your gut is happy, you're more likely to feel calm, rested, and emotionally balanced. When our gut is healthy, our bodies thrive, we feel more energized, our skin clears up, our digestion improves, and our minds feel sharper. It's like everything starts to click into place. But when our gut is compromised, it can lead to a cascade of health issues, including a condition known as leaky gut syndrome. This occurs when the lining of the gut becomes damaged, allowing toxins and undigested food particles to enter the bloodstream. The result: inflammation, immune reactions, and a host of chronic symptoms that can be difficult to trace back to the gut. The good news is, there are ways to support and heal your gut. Through diet, lifestyle changes, and targeted supplements, you can begin to restore balance to your microbiome and reclaim your health from the inside out. Imagine your gut lining as a tightly sealed fortress, an ancient stronghold built to protect the kingdom within. This fortress isn't made of stone or steel, but of living cells, working in harmony to defend your body from the outside world. It's a protective barrier made up of a single layer of epithelial cells, arranged like bricks in a wall. Though only one cell thick, this layer is incredibly sophisticated, forming a dynamic shield that's constantly adapting to what you eat, breathe, and encounter. These cells are the gatekeepers of your body, carefully controlling what enters your bloodstream. Like vigilant guards at a castle gate, they assess every molecule, deciding whether it's friend or foe. Tiny junctions between these cells act like drawbridges, tight junctions that open and close with precision. They allow essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to pass through, nourishing your body from the inside out. At the same time, they keep harmful substances like undigested food particles, environmental toxins, and invasive bacteria out. This selective permeability is what keeps your internal environment stable and safe. This intricate system ensures that your body receives the nourishment it needs to thrive. Every bite of food you eat is filtered through this intelligent barrier, which extracts the good and blocks the bad. Just like a fortress shields its inhabitants from storms and invaders, your gut lining protects you from allergens, pathogens, and irritants that could otherwise wreak havoc on your health. This delicate balance between absorption and protection is essential for maintaining overall health. When the system is in harmony, your body functions smoothly and you feel energized, focused, and resilient. When functioning optimally, the gut acts as a powerful line of defense, standing guard 24/7. It communicates with your immune system, sending signals when threats are detected and helping to coordinate a response. A healthy gut supports a robust immune system, reduces inflammation, and even influences your mood and mental clarity. It's not just about digestion, it's about total body wellness. However, when this barrier is compromised, through poor diet, stress, infections, or environmental toxins, it can lead to a condition known as leaky gut. This allows harmful substances to slip through the cracks, triggering inflammation, food sensitivities, and even autoimmune issues. The consequences can ripple throughout the body, affecting everything from digestion to brain function. That's why protecting your gut lining is one of the most important things you can do for your health. Leaky gut syndrome, also known as increased intestinal permeability, happens when the tight junctions in your gut lining become loose and permeable. Imagine the fortress walls crumbling, allowing invaders to slip through the cracks. This breach allows undigested food particles, toxins, and bacteria to leak into your bloodstream, triggering an immune response. Your immune system, mistaking these foreign invaders for dangerous pathogens, launches an attack, leading to inflammation throughout the body. And this chronic inflammation, it's at the root of many modern health problems. While not yet fully recognized as a distinct condition by conventional medicine, leaky gut is increasingly acknowledged by functional medicine practitioners as a significant contributor to a wide range of health issues. While digestive distress like bloating, gas, diarrhea, and constipation are common signs of leaky gut, they're often just the tip of the iceberg. These symptoms can be uncomfortable and disruptive, but they also serve as early warning signs that something deeper may be going on within your body. The symptoms of leaky gut often extend far beyond the gut itself, affecting multiple systems in the body. This is because the gut lining plays a critical role in maintaining the barrier between the digestive tract and the rest of the body. When that barrier becomes compromised, it can lead to widespread inflammation and immune responses. Because leaky gut triggers systemic inflammation, it can manifest in a variety of seemingly unrelated ways that many people don't immediately associate with gut health. You might experience symptoms that seem disconnected from digestion altogether. For example, chronic headaches, mood imbalances, or even autoimmune flare-ups can all be linked to a compromised gut lining. Skin issues, eczema, acne, rosacea, are common external signs. The skin is often a mirror of internal inflammation, and when the gut is inflamed, it can show up as persistent skin problems that don't respond well to topical treatments. These skin conditions may flare up unexpectedly or become chronic, especially when triggered by certain foods or stress, both of which can worsen gut permeability. Food sensitivities are another major clue. When the gut lining is compromised, undigested food particles can enter the bloodstream, prompting the immune system to react. This can lead to new or worsening sensitivities to gluten, dairy, soy, and other common ingredients. You might find yourself suddenly unable to tolerate foods you once enjoyed, or experiencing bloating, rashes, or fatigue after meals. These reactions are your body's way of signaling that something isn't right. Brain fog is another surprising symptom. Inflammation in the gut can impact the brain through the gut-brain axis, leading to difficulty concentrating, forgetfulness, and even anxiety or depression. This connection is so strong that many mental health professionals now consider gut health when treating cognitive and emotional issues. Fatigue is also incredibly common. Chronic inflammation and poor nutrient absorption can leave you feeling constantly tired, no matter how much sleep you get. This kind of fatigue can be both physical and mental, making it hard to get through the day. Joint pain and stiffness may also be linked to leaky gut, especially in people with autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. When the immune system is constantly activated by gut-derived inflammation, it can mistakenly attack the joints, leading to pain and reduced mobility. Understanding the diverse ways leaky gut can manifest is crucial for identifying and addressing the root cause of your health concerns. By recognizing these symptoms as interconnected, you can begin to take steps toward healing your gut and improving your overall well-being.